A body moves 10 meters due north means along north direction, then 5 meter due east along east, then 5√2 meter southwest direction. Then find the magnitude and direction of displacement. East, north, west, south. So first it is moving 10 meters along north direction, next 5 meter along east direction, next 5√2 meter along southwest. Southwest means in this direction. So exactly extend like this. So it should make an angle 45 degrees here. So we have to calculate the displacement. So one displacement vector is given. Let me take this as S1 bar, let me take this as S2 bar, and this is S3 bar. Let me take this as x axis and y axis. So I am taking the help of x and y axis first to solve the problem, then while talking about the direction, again I will discuss in terms of east west directions only. Now it is moving along y axis by 10 meters distance, so S1 bar is equal to, it is along y axis, so 10 meter into j cap, unit vector along y axis. Then 5 meters along east, due east, so S2 bar is equal to 5 I cap. Next along southwest direction, southwest direction means we have kept the initial point at origin, then we have resolved the vector into components, but not like this. And also one more thing we know, we can move this vector to here by not changing its magnitude and direction, so that vector does not change, and this value is equal to 5√2, and it makes an angle 45 degrees with x axis, or even with y axis also you can take 45 degrees. So adjacent edge, opposite, this is 5√2 cos 45, and this opposite is 5√2 sin 45. Cos 45 is 1/√2 and sin 45 also 1/√2. It is along negative y axis, so minus 5 j cap. It is along negative x axis, so minus 5 I cap. So S3 bar is equal to, in third quadrant, minus 5 I cap minus 5 j cap. Now the resultant vector is S bar is equal to S1 bar plus S2 bar plus S3 bar. What you are going to get? 10 j cap plus 5 I cap minus 5 I cap minus 5 j cap. Cancel. So 10 j cap minus 5 j cap is 5 j cap. That means 5 meters along north direction. That means here it does not pass through this origin. Of course it makes 45 degrees. This angle is 45 degrees. So here it is. So this distance is 5 meters. So it is the initially this is the position of the object, finally this is the position of the object, and the shortest distance between initial and final positions is called displacement, and its direction is from initial position to final position, that is 5 j cap. Let us see one more example. A body moves due east with a speed 5 meter per second. It turns to left through an angle 90 degrees in 10 seconds and again moves with the same speed. Then find the magnitude and direction of acceleration. East, north, west, south. It moves due east with what speed? 5 meter per second. Speed means magnitude of velocity. Now it turns to left. Left means this side. By what angle? 90 degrees. 90 degrees means along north. And it takes a time for change of direction t equal to 10 seconds. And again moves with 5 meter per second only. Initially with 5 meter per second. Speed, magnitude of velocity. So we have to calculate the acceleration. And the formula of acceleration, average acceleration is equal to v2 bar minus v1 bar by time duration. v2 bar minus v1 bar by time duration. So it is moving along positive x-axis. I am taking x-axis here and y-axis. So v1 bar is equal to, I can take it as phi I cap, and v2 bar is along positive axis, so phi j cap. Now phi j cap minus phi I cap by 10 seconds. What do you get? Minus 1 by 2 I cap plus 1 by 2 j cap. So 1 by 2 you take common, minus I cap plus j cap. And what is the magnitude? 1 by 2 under root of x component square plus y component square minus 1 square plus 1 square is equal to root 2. Root 2 by 2 is 1 by root 2. And what is the direction? Negative. X component is negative and y component is positive. It is in second quadrant. So this value, x component is 1 value. This is again 1. So this value, this angle is 45 degrees north west. So it is along northwest direction. The direction of acceleration is northwest direction, and its magnitude is equal to 1 by root 2 meter per second square.